So I have two golden retrievers, and there's some signs that you got to be aware of. But Bella right here, she's prone to allergies, and when I see her chewing on her legs, or I see her scratching a lot around this area, it's probably because she has her allergies, especially during allergy season. I give her the PetLab Co Allergy and Immune Probiotic Chew, and this really helps her during those times to make sure her skin stays nice and comfortable, and she's not always chewing and scratching on the paws. Yada, she also has that issue, not as much as her, but I still give it to her just to prevent it. Again, this right now is at a great price, and you can get it off the TikTok shop. Link's gonna be below. Make sure you grab it. Make sure you guys give your dogs what you need.